Unwashed dishes, piles of dirty socks, and layers of dust. A nightmare for any household and a thriving business opportunity for budding entrepreneurs. Wondering why? The world's spinning fast, and most people simply don't have the time to clean their houses. That's where a home cleaning business comes into play. Looking to build your own home cleaning business from scratch? We've got a smart solution for you. A freelance house cleaning marketplace. As the name suggests, a freelance marketplace is a platform that brings customers and freelance professionals together. How does that work in the context of a house cleaning business? Essentially, you create an online platform, get freelance cleaners to register, and get customers to post their job requirements. Once a customer publishes their work requirements on your platform, freelance cleaners will bid on the project and the customer will pick a service provider. You'll be the admin of the marketplace and control everything, from bidding processes to the kind of projects that can be posted. With every job that's completed successfully, you will earn a predetermined amount from both parties. Sold on a freelance marketplace for your home cleaning business? There's more to love. A freelance marketplace is run using a dynamic website and apps that boast of customer-friendly features and a robust admin dashboard. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the wonders of a freelance marketplace. Take your house cleaning business to unprecedented heights by partnering with Husky. Husky is an online tool that can create a fully customized freelance marketplace without any coding in just one day. Contact us today to begin your entrepreneurial journey.